I'm going to quickly show you how to fix ARC Raiders exit error code 210. So let's start. First of all, go open the Steam launcher if you do have the game on Steam. After that, go to Library and select Collections. Now in the left menu, make sure to click on ARC Raiders. I don't have it, so I'm going to show you using this one. It's the same thing. Select this gear icon in the right. After that, go to Properties. Now in the launch options, make sure to type in -dx11. After that, go to Installed Files in the left menu and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. That way, any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the crashing issue will be recovered and fixed. You just need to wait for the process to finish. After that, go to the Windows search bar, type in NVIDIA. Now it will open like this. So go to your drivers in the left menu and click on Install or Download. It depends on what you have. After that, select Express or Custom as you like and click on Continue to initiate the updating process. Now once you do that, go straightly to Settings. After that, make sure to turn off this NVIDIA overlay option. Now go to the search again and type in Device Manager. It will pop up like this. So go to Display Adapters, go to your graphics card, not the integrated one, right click on it and select Update Driver. Now click on Search Automatically for drivers. After that, click Close. Do the same thing for the processors, but here you can select anyone. Right click, Update Driver, click on Search Automatically for drivers and then click Close again. One thing you can try that when you open the Steam launcher, you can go to the Steam logo in the top left corner. After that, go to Settings. In the left menu, select Downloads. Scroll down, you'll find the Clear Download Cache element. Select Clear Cache. After that, select Confirm. Once you do that, go to the storage. Make sure you select the right disk that you have the game on. Select these three dots. After that, click on Repair Library. And that's it. If you do find it helpful, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.